next several months so that your feedback becomes part of the next version of Windows. Before I give you a quick tour of what's in this preview, there are a few things you need to know. The Tech Preview is meant for PC experts who are comfortable downloading unfinished software. If this sounds like you, great! The first step, which you might have already done, is to download and install the Tech Preview. We recommend you install it on a secondary PC as it's still not finished and there will certainly be some rough edges. But we'll be updating it regularly. As a Windows insider, you'll get two benefits. You'll get more frequent updates with earlier but less polished software, and you'll have access to the Windows Feedback app from which you can send us comments directly. Register to become an insider at the URL on your screen. Keep in mind, the preview is still a work in progress. The design and feature set you see today only scratches the surface of what we have planned. We'll do a lot of polish and additional feature work until we're done. But one thing's for sure, by signing up, you'll be the first to take all of the new features out for a test drive. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll notice is the familiar Windows Start menu is back. And we've tried hard to balance having a super familiar user experience with delivering terrific new improvements. In particular, including a space you can personalize with live tiles for your favorite apps, people, and websites. Search is back, and we've put it both in the Start menu and on the taskbar. So whenever you're looking for something, you'll get results from your PC, but also from the web. One of the biggest new features in Windows 8 was the Windows App Store. But when you ran an app, it was always full screen, optimized for a tablet-type device. With Tech Preview, we're improving how Store apps work for all kinds of PCs, including ones with or without touch, and for big giant screens. Thus, apps from the Windows Store now open in the same format that your desktop programs do. You can resize them and move them around. And they have title bars at the top, so you can maximize, minimize, and close with a click. Windows is great at helping people get stuff done. And one of the areas we're looking for feedback in the Tech Preview is multitasking. Let's look at some of these features. First, we've added a new Task View button, so you can quickly switch between all your open apps. Simple. We've improved the way windows snap so that it's easier and more powerful. When you snap a window, Windows will make smart suggestions on filling the available screen space with other open apps. You can also now have up to 4 apps snapped on the same screen. If you're working on a lot of different projects using different apps and files, try adding a desktop. Adding a desktop keeps things neatly organized for you. Or you can create a desktop for the things you do at work and a separate one for the things you do at home. That's a super quick tour of Tech Preview and just the smallest glimpse of what's still to come. If you haven't already done so, you can download the Tech Preview and sign up for the Insider program at the